Hi guys, it's Owen and we are here with some Portal 2. Here with some Portal 2. I know it's a bit late because it came out in 2011, but I think it's an amazing game anyway. So we do some single player. I will say that I have played this once before. I played this once all the way through before, so I know what's going to happen. But I think it'll be fun anyway. So.
Good morning. You have been in suspension for 8 days. In compliance with state and federal regulations, all testing candidates in the Aperture Science Extended Relaxation Center must be revived periodically for a mandatory physical and mental wellness exercise. You will hear a buzzer. When you hear the buzzer, look up at the ceiling. Good. You will hear a buzzer. When you hear the buzzer, look down at the floor.
I'll just the TV and I will put subtitles. No, everything else is bad. I just put subtitles on.
Good. This completes the gymnastic portion of your mandatory physical and mental wellness exercise. There is a framed painting on the wall. Please go stand in front of it. This is art. You will hear a buzzer. When you hear the buzzer, stare at the art. You should now feel mentally reinvigorated. If you suspect staring at art has not provided the required intellectual sustenance, reflect briefly on this classical music. Good. Now please return to your bed.
Okay.
Good morning. You have been in suspension for 9.
Hello? Anyone in there? Hello? Are you going to open the door? No. You look good. Looking good, actually. Are you okay? Are you... Don't answer that. I'm absolutely sure you're fine. There's plenty of time for you to recover. Just take it slow.
Please prepare for emergency evacuation.
Stay calm. Stay calm. Prepare. That's all I'm saying. Prepare. It's all fine. All right? Don't move. I'm going to get us out of here. Oh, you might want to hang on to something. Word of advice. Up to you.
Look at this.
You all right down there? Can you hear me? Hello? Most test subjects do experience some cognitive deterioration after a few months in suspension. Now, you've been under for quite a lot longer, and it's not out of the question that you might have a very minor case of serious brain damage. But don't be alarmed, all right? Although if you do feel alarmed, try to hold on to that feeling, because that is the proper reaction to being told that you've got brain damage. Do you understand what I'm saying at all? Does any of this make any sense? Just tell me, just say yes. Okay, what you're doing there is jumping. You just jumped. But never mind, say apple. Apple. Okay, you know what? That's close enough. Just hold tight.
All reactor core safeguards are now non-functional. Please prepare for reactor core meltdown.
Okay, look, I wasn't going to mention this to you, but I'm in pretty hot water here. How you doing down there? You still holding on? The reserve power ran out, so of course the whole relaxation centre stops waking up the bloody test subjects. Hold on, this is a bit tricky. And of course, nobody tells me anything. No, why should you tell me anything? Why should I be kept informed? You know, about the life functions of the 10,000 bloody test subjects I'm supposed to be in charge of. Why? Close. Can you sing? Am I going to make it through? But I love space. Just got to get through here. I just got to concentrate. Whose fault do you think it's going to be when the management comes down here and finds 10,000 flipping vegetables? Alright, no, I hit that one.
What am I?
Listen, we should get our story straight, alright? If anyone asks, and no one's going to ask, don't worry, but if anyone asks, tell them as far as you know, the last time you checked, everyone looked pretty much alive. Alright? Not dead. Okay, almost there.
Well,
on the other side of that wall is one of the old testing tracks. There's a piece of equipment in there that we're going to need to get out of here. I think this is a docking station. Get ready.
Good luck.
Good news, that is not a docking station. So there's one mystery solved.
How is that
I'm
good?
going to attempt a manual override on this wall. Could get a bit technical. Hold on.
Keep below.
Almost there.
There.
Remember, you're looking for a gun that makes holes. Not bullet holes. But don't worry, you'll figure it out. Seriously, do hold on this time.
Okay. Just need a minute.
There we go. Now, I'll be honest, you are probably in no fit state to run this particular type of cognitive gauntlet. But at least you're a good jumper. So you've got that sort of jumping on your side. Just do your best, and I'll meet you up ahead. That's the spirit.
Okay. Well. Oh.
Hello, and again, welcome to the Aperture Science Enrichment Center. We are currently experiencing technical difficulties due to circumstances of potentially apocalyptic significance beyond our control. However, thanks to emergency testing protocols, testing can continue. These pre-recorded messages will provide instructional and motivational support so that science can still be done, even in the event of environmental, social, economic, or structural collapse. The portal will open, and emergency testing will begin in 3, 2, 1.
Obviously they've this place clipped from Portal Still Alive. I haven't played that. I played the demo bit, and I know the start of it looks quite nice, and this doesn't. Little graphics wise, I mean like the place wise. The graphics wise are a lot better than Still Alive.
Cube and button-based testing remains an important tool for science, even in a dire emergency. If cube and button-based testing caused this emergency, don't worry. The odds of this happening twice are very slim. Please note the incandescent particle field across the exit. This Aperture Science Material Emancipation Grill will vaporize any unauthorized equipment that passes through.
I'm glad I'm not unauthorized. Whatever it said, I think it's an object or something like that.
If you feel liquid running down your neck, relax, lie on your back, and apply immediate pressure to your temples. You are simply experiencing a rare reaction in which the Material Emancipation Grill may have emancipated the ear tubes inside your head.
So, on test 1, we have box or cube on a button. Button! Activate. Ah, I see. So you got this one, there's a sound. Hey! Got this cube. Can you see it? No, you just... no. Press that. Put it on there, on the button. Button. Then go over here. Put it on there and go to shop. Like so.
Good. Because of the technical difficulties we are currently experiencing, your test environment is unsupervised. Before re-entering a relaxation vault at the conclusion of testing, please take a moment to write down the results of your test. An Aperture Science Reintegration Associate will revive you for an interview when society has been rebuilt.
Aperture Laboratory.
If the Earth is currently governed by a manner of animal king, sentient cloud, or other governing body that either refuses to or is incapable of listening to reason.
Hey, you made it! There should be a portal device on that podium over there. I can't see it though. Maybe it fell off. Hello? Can you see the portal gun? Also, are you alive? If that's important, you ask that first. Do you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to work on the assumption that you're still alive, and I'm just going to wait for you up ahead. I'll wait 1 hour, then I'll come back, and assuming I can locate your dead body, I'll bury it. Alright? Brilliant. Go team! See you in an hour, hopefully. You're not dead.
The portal gun. So we have man with orange face, companion cube, somebody online, some people screaming, guys dancing. Yeah, so most guys are dancing and then a woman screaming. Here we have some inspectors inspecting some sort of nuclear, some sort of, I don't know to be honest, probably rocket with some weeds growing on it. So here we have person with orange sort of suit on it, which obviously looks like probably me. A guy with an orange face holding up a pretty well drawn portal gun. There's that orange woman again, and there's that weed rocket thing. We have an orange person with the portal gun, a guy with an orange face, companion cube, and then that thing again, but with a face. Okay. So I'm gonna go from here. So I have forgotten some of the missions, some of parts of the missions and theories, so that looks like it's getting pretty long, this video, so I will do the next test where
Some emergency testing may require prolonged interaction with lethal military androids. Rest assured that all lethal military androids have been taught to read and provided with 1 copy of the Laws of Robotics to share. Good. If you feel that a lethal military android has not respected your rights as detailed in the Laws of Robotics, please note it on your self-reporting form. A future Aperture Science Entitlement Associate will initiate the appropriate grievance filing paperwork.
Yep, I'll probably do one more test, and then, yeah, I actually can't really remember what happened next. Something to jog my memory, then I'll be alright.
This next test is very dangerous.
Oh, yeah,
To help you remain tranquil in the face of almost certain death, smooth jazz will be deployed in 3, 2, 1.
Smooth jazz. Okay, that lasted long. Yay. Okay, Oh, here we go, number 4. Oh yeah, this one. Conditionally down portal still alive. Oh, I said there. No, I said there. Then I said there. Then sharks. Swap. Then there. Then there. No, there. That is mine. Oh, that is mine. Thank you very much.
Great work. Because this message is pre-recorded, any observations related to your performance are speculation on our part. Please disregard any undeserved compliments.
Oh. Yeah. I might have dropped a little bit, just a small bit of glass on the floor and broken just a little smash on the window. I know there's a Batman bit up here. I'll go and do that. We have some orange birds with one going up saying unreason, going up to the cat. Oh, I see, go up to the cat. Have some weird maths calculations. A computer. Yeah, that looks really old. Oh, look at that. And 2 TV screens. Cool. Anyway. Yep, I think I'll end it there. Thank you very much for watching, and from those people and me, goodbye.